I know there's probably a lot of questions from the audience, but I would like for you to just take a couple of minutes, if you'd like to talk about what gaps you might see in services in the community.
Because I work at the library and we're just focusing on tutoring, I don't have the same sort of spectrum of things that are available as they are at the Friendship Center. So I can't really speak with that much authority about that. In terms of what really needs to be in the community, I think probably there needs to be a lot more professional development about what is in the community already, because I think that a lot of times we're sort of, the literacy coordinators are kind of divorced from knowing what else is out there. So I will say, before I kind of go into that a little bit more, we're really lucky at Halifax North Library to have some really, really wonderful committed staff. It is truly a community library. And Johnny getting here today was mostly because you've been doing fantastic work and it's amazing and exciting and I'm very proud. But I also had a coworker who went out of his own time to drive him to the bus depot. So there's just like a really nice community feel in that library. And there's people who've been working there for 20 years and it really is a focal point of the community, which is really wonderful. In terms of what I'd like to see in terms of resources, quite frankly, I'd like these jobs to be permanent. I only found out on March, found out on March 27th that my last day of work was not March 28th. We get very, very little professional development funding. And if I had more hours and if I had a permanent position, then I could actually sit down with the tutors and I could help educate them and we could do more professional development events and I could learn more about other resources that are out there. But until that's a priority in our community, it's very difficult to do the kind of quality job that I would like to do.